So you can see I'm on the other side of the pool now. Well, obviously this is the side that I didn't show you on the previous video, but here's the other side where there are a few people chilling out right there on the bottom of that building. Now this is one thing I wanted to show you quickly, just quickly, because I don't want to get too much into this. But these are the bathrooms, baño. They're not the greatest bathrooms. They're kind of actually not 100% repair. This is probably the nicest one I think that works. Actually, this doesn't even work. I thought this was the one that worked, but this one, when I came in here one night, a couple nights ago, as of this video, several nights ago, I decided to take a look and see what kind of condition this place is. I'm not going to get too much into this, but I opened these doors. The doors are left to be desired. They're really damaged in terms of, like, you know, can't even pull it out to open it, close it. I mean, the only way to keep it from, well, being jammed up. So these ones they're not the greatest bathrooms. Obviously, you need to have tissue paper because these ones they don't really supply. But here's what I'm talking about. This doesn't even work. None of these actually work. I thought one did work, but obviously it doesn't work. So one more thing I want to mention here about this is the other night when I came by here just to look, I noticed, first thing I noticed when I opened up was a big, now expect this in Cuba, cockroaches. Now, it was massive. This cockroach was the biggest one. I swear it was the size of a freaking chapstick, normal size chapstick, 1 inch long or longer even, and about a ½ an inch-ish thickness. It was huge. So keep that in mind. The bathrooms are to be desired at this location. Front ones are much better if you want to use the bathrooms, but if you're over here, either if you have the lounge, you can use the lounge, the bathroom area. There's a couple different ones over by the pool, but somewhat left to be desired in this area for the bathrooms. They're kind of, and they smell pretty bad actually. Anyway, I'm gonna leave it at that, but I did want to mention that because last time I didn't really talk about these bathrooms. I didn't really know much about them, and I didn't look. I just knew they were here because I saw the signs. Other than that, I'll leave it at that.